In the Rockler timed 2x4 challenge, well, this is my entry for the 2-hour time slot. We finally got some winners picked. Let's dive right in. Okay, so let's just dive into this. I'm going to announce the 30-minute timestamp winner right here. Lakeview Woodworking. This is some really awesome bandsaw work. And I know if you're really skilled on a bandsaw that you can do this pretty quickly. So completely legitimate. It is fantastic. Look at the flower. Look at the craftsmanship in 30 minutes. Pretty awesome. And again, this is a prime example of really not having to use the whole 2x4 and still getting an awesome result. So Lakeview Woodworking, $100 gift card coming to you from Rockler. All right, so the winner of the 2-hour timestamp for the 2x4 challenge is this guy here. This is Maker Cuisine. Man, this is the Buster Sword from Final Fantasy VII. It was wielded by Cloud Strife. That game was one of the games I played as a kid as well. And a lot of people in this space who are around my, Generation X, late Generation X, we did too. Maybe even some early millennials too. But it was done well. And maybe it hit me right in the feels, but the craftsmanship of it looks great for 2 hours. And it's such an iconic piece that, yeah, great job. And you're going to get a $100 gift card from Rockler as well. So this apothecary cabinet is the thing I made for the entire day's challenge, right? You could use an 8-hour workday, you could use 24 hours to do this. It really wasn't that, strict of a rule, but make it in a day. All right, and the winner for the 1-day challenge, I've got to give it up to Warren Works. Check this out. This bar stool with some bent lamination techniques that he used is fantastic. I'm gonna link everybody's Instagram page down below who won these categories. And this was just such a great job of basically taking a 2x4 and turning it into something I really didn't think was possible. So, and a lot of the judges as well. So this is congratulations, Warren. You get a $100 gift card from Rockler as well. And this is one of my favorite things I've seen on Instagram in a while. Not just the fact that it was a 2x4 challenge that we put on, but this is just so cool. So congratulations, buddy. Okay, the winner of all 3 designs, which I think encompass the entire challenge using only 2x4s, 1 for each challenge, is Vernon Hinkle. Vernon, you did such a great job here. Not only incorporating a 2x4 into each build, but all 3 of these things can be used together. There's a picnic basket with a serving tray and also a flight for some shot glasses in case you're having that kind of picnic. This was just done so well. And the fact that you only used 2x4s only was amazing. And it was just such a great iteration, such a great idea to put this together, and I want to congratulate you. Now, the swag pack for this is basically a $200 gift card here on anything in my store, and Vernon will be in touch. And the other thing you're going to get is some various items from the other judges. I know Jimmy's going to throw in maybe some of his blades. Derek's going to throw something in. Jared, Shar, and Bree as well. So we're going to be in contact with you for the holiday season to get you your prizes. Really, Vernon, you did such a great job. But you know what? I'm in the holiday mood, and I got one more thing to tell you. So like I said, it's the holidays, and this was tough. This all-encompassing, all 3 of the best was tough. And I've got to go with one more. And the prize pack is going to be just another $200 gift card to my shop. So yes, there are 2 grand prizes. Essentially, this is kind of like a second kind of pseudo grand prize because I'm not going to ask the other judges to participate in this one, but this is just for me only. And Malcolm, check this out. This was around Halloween time, and he made a table base, basically, out of one 2x4 that looks like bones, a table top with a skull out of the other 2x4, and the lamp that goes with it is it's just an incredible build to me, because it's basically taking 3 2x4s in 3 different timestamps, and they all function with each other. And Malcolm, you're going to get the kind of secondary grand prize. Definitely for me, we're going to be in touch as well. And I want to thank each and every one of the participants who did this. This was really fun. Really see the ideas that came to light. And again, if you are one of these winners, I'm going to showcase your Instagram and socials down below in this video. And I want to thank Rockler as well, along with all the judges. Okay, Derek, Jimmy, Bree, Shar, Jared, thank you so much. My name's Chris. I was just overwhelmed. Sorry to get this thing out a little bit late to you guys, but it's done. The winners are announced, and thank you everyone for participating. It means the world. Y'all have a great holiday, and I'll see you around. Bye.